This is just crazy Thai women doing their hair in the bar. But she won't take the mask off. There you go. Beautiful. Good. Very good.
Very good, eh?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Got big cab. I've left my little bar over there. Had a few beers. So now I'll go home with the risk of getting bitten by the fucking soy dog. Dave here from balcony of my hotel in Roiet. Just thought I'd show you what view I've got from here. It's not too bad a view really. Big field, couple of houses. So I'm going to be doing a vlog. I'm going to go for a stroll soon, walk into Roiet, have a little wander around, find a bar, get a few beers and just generally have a look around. That's the plan, so see how it goes. Looking in the distance over there, it's looking very dark. I can hear thunder and it's heading this way, so I think we're in for a bit of a storm in the next hour or so. I'm still going to go for my walk, so I might end up getting soaked. It's about 6 o'clock. Just come out of my hotel, wherever it is. Definitely a storm in the air. I think I'm going to get a little bit wet tonight, but we'll see how it goes. Let's hope not. Here's a little Mini coming in, BMW Mini. So, that's the hotel there. Them trees up the top of where the pool is. Little shrine here. A nice place, just off the main road. So I just asked them in reception where the nearby was and they said 7-Eleven. So beer, sitting outside a 7-Eleven drinking beer isn't really my idea of fun. So I could give it a try I suppose. But I'm only here one night. I'll do that where I'm staying at a place for a few weeks. More dog shit. Say. Okay, so I'm out on the main drag now. Got all the car dealerships down that way and down that way. Few bits, let's have a look. I know there's a temple over the road over there. I might go and see that in the morning if I get time. After my breakfast and my swimming. Round the corner from the hotel, quite a big Thai restaurant here. Not sure whether they sell beer or not. Looks like it. Looks like there's some on the table. Might be an option when I come back. I'm going to take a walk into town if I can. Go and check out the. See if I can find a bar somewhere. There's quite a big temple complex over there. All gates are shut, so it's a bit late to be looking around temples now. Time to be looking for a beer. And that's one of the reasons I walk on the road. Someone was asking earlier about it, why I walk on the road. There's another example of walking on the pavement. Posts and all sorts in the road, in your way. Oh, we've got Tesco Lotus here. Looks like a big shop. Fuck's sake. That was a bit of lining. No thunder though. But it's coming. Found myself a little bar in Roiet, probably about 10-15 minute walk down the main drag from the hotel. Had a couple of soy dogs chasing me again, barking at me. I'm sure I'm going to get nipped by one of them one day and end up in hospital with jabs and whatever. He's a big old lump, but he seems quite friendly. There's been one or two coming down after me barking, so I know I'm going to get bit sometime. Hello, big lad. You alright? He's a big old lump, he is. I'm glad he's not an angry dog. So far, this is the most exciting thing that's happened. The car has pulled up and they're going to put their car away. This is my living the dream. So there we go, you see the cars going in the gates. And if I wait long enough, I think they'll come and shut the gates. And that's the excitement for tonight. So hurry up, come on. You have to split this into two because they're taking their time back in the car. You don't just want to see an open gate. Here they come, look. It's one gate shut. That's quite exciting on its own. Go on. Now the other one. Oh no. It's going to do something different. I'm not happy. Oh she's going to shut the gate. So this is what it's come down to. Me watching someone park their car and shut the gates. Now if she just had a little bastard having a go at my leg again. My legs are itching now, so I know I've been bit a few times. Yeah, the most exciting thing I've seen tonight is the dog's cock and the lady parking her car. So it's a pretty sleepy little area this, nothing really happening, but I'm still quite happy here actually. Yeah, so there's old Butch over there, look. I forget what his name is, the owner told me. But you got him and his mates, all these soy dogs that want to come and attack you on your way home. Or you got the choice of a car hitting me because I'm walking on the road rather than the pavement. I think I might go for the car. I think I might have more chance. Less time in hospital maybe. But I'm starting to ramble and talk bollocks now because I've had a few beers, so yeah. So you got the ladies doing their hair at the bar. So I've just been to the loo. I have to walk through all this bar. It's very dark in here, but I don't know whether you can make it out. It's into lots of motorbikes. You can't really see them. But the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 scooters. 10, 11, 12, 13. So you've got loads of scooters over here. But yeah, great place to see. Lots of character. And I'm just having a beer. I've got that dog there, look. Hello. Nam. 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 There. Thank you. Cop and cab beer. They love their hair over here in Thailand. Been doing it for about 15-20 minutes now. Got 4 beers. I think that's enough for me tonight. Got the ladies doing their hair over there. At least there's a few people in here now. But very quiet up and down the road now. Now they're doing each other's hair. Only in Thailand. I think the camera's starting to get a little bit wobbly now. But yeah, these Thai ladies, I just don't understand. But they're doing their hair, and I asked them if they would take the mask off, and she won't take the mask off. But this is just crazy Thai women doing their hair in the bar. But she won't take the mask off. There you go. Beautiful. Good. Very good.
Very good,
Yeah, thank you. Cop and cab. Yep, so they've been doing each other's hair all night. Well, probably for the last half hour, maybe an hour. So they've both got perfectly straight hair now. So, fantastic. I was going to ask them to do mine, but I haven't got much. Now I've got 2 beautiful ladies wanting to join my YouTube channel. So, hopefully 2 more subscribers with lovely hair. Do mine. Do my hair. Do my hair. Me. No. I've left my little bar over there. Had a few beers. So now I'll go home with the risk of getting bitten by the fucking soy dog. I'm not happy about that because they're yappy little things. They come at you, but we'll see how we get on. Yeah. You want some? Yeah. See, the little bastards are out there already. I haven't even made the traffic lights yet. As long as they don't bite me, I don't fucking care. The traffic lights. I've got a 10-minute walk, I think, down this way. And if I manage to get back without getting bitten, then I'll be in the pool tomorrow morning, but otherwise I'll be in hospital. So stay away from me, soy dogs, leave me alone. So I've just got to the main drag and I'm walking along there now. I think I've got about 10 minutes to walk. Dead on 10:30, so when I get bitten I'll let you know. I think where that dog is there, that is where the bus station is. So I've probably got another 5 minutes to walk down this way without getting bitten. Now here's something of interest. The Volkswagen Beetle sat in the sun. I've still got some fucking dog over here barking at me. Little bastards. Yeah, so there's not many places open along this road. This one is. This seems to sell lots of beer and whatever. But I know my place for sleep is just down this way somewhere. Now I think if you can make it out, the big building over there might be my hotel, which would be good. You've got a fucking dog barking over the road, but I don't think he's brave enough to cross the road, so that's good. Ah, shut up. Now, traffic allowing, I'm going to cross the road. That's it. And I think that sign up there is my home. Fucking dogs barking everywhere. Scared of getting a gash in my leg. But I think that this is my hotel. So that's a good start. So if I can walk in here without getting bitten, all the better. And I actually think I might have got it right, because I can see two trees on the roof where I was swimming earlier, and now I can see the hotel sign, so I know I'm home. I've just got to get from here to the entrance without getting bitten. Yes, tomorrow I've got the fireworks and whatever, but I managed to make it back to my hotel. I can chill out now, no bites, so lucky me, and I'm home. Now I know that this temple is not too far from where I live, so I'll be home soon, hopefully with no bites. Okay, so that's it for sure now. I managed to make it back to my hotel. All looks dead. It's probably about 11 o'clock, but go in, chill out, relax, and if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and press the bell button all that bollocks, but hope you enjoyed. Hello, you alright, mate? Yeah? Quite agree. Oh, so nice.